Seoul's Gangnam district is launching the nation's first pilot program using robots designed to prepare school meals. The initiative aims to boost cooking efficiency and working conditions.
서울 강남구가 전국 최초로 학교 급식에 특화된 조리 로봇 실증에 나섭니다. 이번 사업은 조리 효율성과 근무 환경 개선을 목표로 합니다. Oh, okay. So I have heard that it's they don't have enough employees sometimes to work at the school cafeteria, and I can see why. It can be very hard work.
Yeah.
You know, you have to boil like this huge pot of soup.
Yeah.
That can be dangerous.
Right. Yeah. Obviously, you're boiling, you're deep frying,
Yes.
you're stir frying large amounts. You know, at our homes,
It's okay.
even then it can be dangerous.
I know.
Imagine those huge pots and pans they have to
Scary,
use.
yeah.
So, starting in the second half of this year, they're going to have 3 schools
Okay.
that will have these robots.
Okay.
I'm looking at a picture of them. You can see one on Point in Radio, and it's like a big arm,
and they're stirring.
and it's stirring. Yeah.
How great is that?
Yeah, so it can do 3 big things. It can deep fry, 튀길 수도 있고. It can also stir fry, 볶을 수도 있고. And it will also do some like soup and stew preparation. 국탕 조리도 할 수 있어요.
When you're 한국, seriously, like in the States, rarely does a cafeteria serve soup.
No.
It's all kind of processed
It's all
food.
chicken nuggets and french fries.
And pizza.
And pizza.
네, 맞아요.
맞아요.
그러니까 정말 한국 급식이 그 학교 급식이 엄청 정말 뉴스에도 한번 나왔어요. Like it's so healthy compared to.
야채 있는 것 자체는 미국 거보다 훨씬 더 나아요.
당연하죠. 그리고 국을 어떻게 줘요? 안 줘요. 이런
Yeah,
거.
people would throw that.
Oh, yeah. So here we've got like soups, we've got the panchan. There's a lot involved in making a school meal.
Yes.
So this is good news.
Right. And another good thing is they aren't going to have to change the infrastructure. Sometimes 이거 전기로 하는 로봇이잖아요. Sometimes these big machines you have to worry about changing the electricity.
Yeah.
전기차
Yes.
쓰는 사람들도 they sometimes have like an extra battery or
Charging
stations that they use. These do not have to use any new or stronger electrical currents or machinery.
Great.
Yeah.
So they can just put it in there and make it work.
Yeah.
Great. That's awesome news. 호이님, 정말 급식실 근로자분들이 많이 힘드실 거예요. I agree.
Archive theme says 조리사, 조리 실무사님들 고생이 좀 덜어질까요? 내 일자리도 지켜줘야 할 텐데요.
Yes, I agree. Hopefully we can keep them employed, but have the hard work, give it to the robots.
Right.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't want people carrying like
Yes.
big buckets of
Totally.
cook.
All right. So it's a pilot program, which means 시범 프로그램인데요. School meals는 학교 급식, school meals.
Yeah, we don't have we don't have like a special word in English.
특별히 없어요.
Yeah, it's just school meal.
School meal.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Seoul's Gangnam district is launching the nation's first pilot program using robots designed to prepare school meals. The initiative aims to boost cooking efficiency and working conditions.